maangay nga tangan nga karakter sa umaabot nga GMA kiligserye ang Luv Is Caught in His Arms ang atong makachika karong buntaga. Sa iranta ang karakter ni GMA Sparkle Artist Tanya Ramos. Maupay nga aga, Tanya, at welcome dito sa GMA Regional TV Live. Pakibati naman sa mga kapusong Bisaya natin.
Hello po, maayong buntag mga kapuso in Visayas. Thank you so much po for having me.
It's our pleasure to have you, Tanya. Ayan, pag-usapan natin itong throwback photo that you posted together with your dad, si Wendell Ramos. Ang dad mo ba yung nag-inspire sa'yo to enter show business?
Well, he is part of the industry for a long time already. So I can say na he really did influence me to join show business since bata pa po ako. I already witnessed him in work, and if ever naman na he didn't push me to join showbiz, parang I still wanted to become a performer pa rin po. So it is somehow similar and it is still part of the entertainment industry po.
And then when you started doing this project, itong Luv Is Caught in His Arms, ano naman yung advice ng daddy mo para magtagal ka talaga sa industriya na ito?
I've said this multiple times na rin po sa other interviews and media cons, pero ito po ang tumatak talaga sa isip ko na he told us to always take our work seriously and that we should love everything about it. We should love everything about our craft and that we should love the things that we are capable to do. So, yun po.
And we're also very interested to know, during your days off, Tanya, do you love reading Wattpad ba? Ano ba yung mga favorite Wattpad series so far?
Well, as of now, I really don't have the time to read books, pero back in school, I used to have a Wattpad era where I really buy books po talaga, and siguro I loved how it entertained me.
And speaking of Wattpad, we're very excited sa bago mong series sa GMA Network, ang adaptation ng hit Wattpad web novel na Luv Is Caught in His Arms. Paano ba na mas pinaganda itong role mo sa series na ito?
Yes, if some of you don't know, I will be playing Aira Rivera, one of Florence's good friends, and Florence will be portrayed by Sofia Pablo, a really good friend of mine. And all I can say about my character is that she is sassy. Because I can't really say a lot of things about her kasi medyo may twist po sa story. Pero what I did para mas mapaganda po yung pag-deliver ko ng character ko is I joked around my co-actors sa mga talents.
At ano din yung mga makukuhang aral o values nating mga kapuso when they watch Luv Is Caught in His Arms?
For me, the lessons I've learned here sa series that may also be applicable to everyone that will watch this is that love can change you in a good way.
And with that, please invite all our kapusong Bisaya na abangan ka dito sa Luv Is Caught in His Arms.
Yes, thank you po. Hello po mga kapuso. Inaanyahan ko po kayong manood ng series Wattpad adaptation ng Luv Is Caught in His Arms at makakasama ko po dito sina Sofia Pablo together with Alan Ansay and some of my Sparkada members.
And before we end this interview, Tanya, ano din ang mensahe mo para sa mga kapusong Bisaya natin? And of course, please promote your socials.
Yes, shout out to my fans po, my Tanya Natex, to everyone who's supporting me. And I love you all so much. I just want to say thank you for your never-ending love and support.
Maraming salamat din sa iyo, Tanya. It's so fun to have you this morning with us. Congrats once again.
Thank you po. Thank you po.